Have you recently had your basement or crawl space inspected and learned that you have bowing walls? Bowed basement or crawl space walls can lead to a wide variety of issues. Stay tuned to find out how much it costs for wall anchors. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Bowed walls leave your home's foundation in a compromised state, and it's important to stabilize or even straighten your walls as soon as you notice the issue. Wall anchors are a great option to stabilize your walls, but how much do they cost? We'll answer that question in this video. But before we get any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Wall anchors is a system that has two pieces of steel plates, one on the inside of your basement wall and one buried in the soil 10 to 15 feet away from your wall, connected with a piece of all thread, therefore anchoring your basement wall back into virgin soils. Wall anchors come into the picture when maybe carbon fiber straps are not the best solution due to how the wall shearing, leaning, or even bowing, to where it gives you a more whole solution that'll last longer. Wall anchors cost anywhere between $900 to $1,500 per wall anchor. Now you're going to want a wall anchor about 2 foot off your corners and about every 4 to 5 foot depending on the condition of your wall. One of the biggest things that affects the cost of wall anchors is whether we can get a mini excavator to the location to dig the hole for where the plate in the yard goes. So if you can get a mini excavator to that location, you're going to be closer to the 900 mark. If we can't, we have to dig those holes by hand, then you're going to be closer to the $1,500 per wall anchor. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about wall anchors? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.